What's up everyone, it's your boy Taikyo Kills and thank you for tuning in to another video. And before we begin, make sure you guys smash that like button and make sure you guys smash that subscribe button if you're new here. Now we got another unboxing of a new shoe. We got the NMD S1 RYATs in all black by humanrace and Pharrell. If you guys aren't new to my channel, you probably know I've done the humanrace Pharrell collab with the Sakana tribe, introducing the Sakana shoes. So I was waiting for the orange colorway of those, but they never released. The NMD S1 RYATs actually released a few months back. Originally in that white colorway or the core colorway. I personally didn't like the first one, but I did get the all black one, so we're gonna go ahead and dive into unboxing this shoe, and I'm super excited because they got it really fast. But that's been my experience with humanrace so far. All of the shoes that I've ordered from them have gotten here fast. Now, you actually could have gotten this shoe on StockX. Of course, you got the early people who, you know, somehow get in through the back door, and they had these available as early as like a couple of weeks ago on StockX. All right, boom. So a lot bigger than the Sakana box, obviously. Looks like it's gonna come in all blue. All right. Yo, this is a gargantuan shoe. We're gonna go ahead and get some closer details so you guys can check this shoe out more. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, so for this first portion, I want to focus on styling. So here I'm rocking some oversized kind of baggy pants. And as you can see, they tone the shoe down a lot when you do it like this. Not much really stands out about it except for the giant chunky outsole. Now those purple triangles, indigo triangles you see, they're actually black in low light or inside conditions. When you're in highly lit conditions or outside, they turn indigo. They're not always that color, so I thought that was pretty cool. I didn't have any of the previous pairs of HMD RYATs, so this was our NMD RYATs, excuse me, so that was really new to me. Now here I'm actually gonna pull the pant leg over the tongue so you can see how they silhouette, and as you can see, they actually come to life a lot more when you do them like this. You can see that indigo contrasting on the side. You can see that sky blue kind of teal colors on the side that are contrasting. You've got that white ankle support kind of thing there on the back, and you've got that crimson red. Now about that ankle support as well as part of the upper, it is made from suede. So for you all that are styling these, especially on rainy days or any days, make sure you put on that suede protector before you go out or you're gonna regret it. So next up, I'm actually gonna show you how these guys silhouette with the joggers, which I think is one of my favorite looks with them. I would say maybe shorts too, but it's too cold. I'm not wearing shorts, so you guys can figure that out. So again, here they are with joggers. Again, it just makes the boot stand to life or come to life a lot more. Getting into the materials of this boot, they're made from ballistic mesh. They've got that suede I told you on the upper. They've got leather on the back, kind of like that ankle guard. They also have a mud guard that's made from rubberized TPU, which is thermoplastic polyurethane, pretty much a mixture between plastic and rubber, making it lightweight and flexible. Now the next thing I want to get into is the sole. Now as you can see, they feature 3 Adidas symbols layered on top of the other. These are actually known as a trefoil shape. So these will actually aid in traction and grip. And myself being a hiker and this being advertised as a boot, I wanted to actually put this boot to the test in more conditions other than just, you know, styling. I want to see how these held up in actual conditions. So that brings me to this next point. Here you can see I'm kind of in some dry conditions out in the forest. You can see how it actually, pay attention to that outsole, how it morphs and warps around all of the surfaces I'm going on and just molding around, which is super great because for all you hikers, we all know things can get slippery out there, and you're definitely going to want to have a boot or a shoe that's going to be able to give you some great traction. Now here I am in some rocks, hopping on a couple of down logs. If you pay attention to this down log, it actually had moss on it, which makes it a lot more slippery. Now I actually had some nice luck because the next day, as you guys can see and hear, it's raining. So I decided I'm gonna go back and try this again in the rain just to see how good these hold up in nature, being advertised as a boot. Here I am in some muddy, wet conditions. I'm gonna transition over into kind of like the off-beaten path where it's just like nothing is cut. Now on the next one too, I actually got on this long log I saw and I just ran. Now this is sped up a little bit so you guys can't see or won't have to sit through the whole thing, but actually you can see I kind of ran across and I was able to keep my balance great. So after it was all said and done, here's the results, and these boys held up. You can see I got like mad mud on my pants, and it was super comfortable, and that's because of that boost, encapsulated boost material in the soles. All right, you all, welcome back. We are at the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe in the comment section. For me, myself, it is a 7 out of 10 on the styling scale, but a 9 out of 10 on the hiking scale, or the performance scale rather. And I say that because, again, I took these boots out for 8 hours. I've been in dry conditions, wet, slippery conditions, and they held up. My only drawback is, one, they're made from the suede, so if I'm gonna use these to hike, those suedes are gonna eventually get destroyed no matter how much protector I use on them. 2, the rubberized outsole, again, very comfortable, but they scuff extremely easy, so that is something to keep in mind. But again, I give it a 9 out of 10 on a performance scale. I had no issues whatsoever. I'm kind of liking these new silhouettes that Pharrell's doing. You know, you're gonna have some people say they're just Yeezy wannabes, not these boots, but shoes like the Saucony's, but I like them. I think they're very forward thinking. Whether if you think they're bizarre or not, you know, fashion won't go anywhere if it's just stagnant. If we're all just wearing retro J's for the rest of our lives, you know what I'm saying, or those types of shoes. So hate them, love them, let me know in the comment section, you guys. They did come with alternate shoestrings. That's something I forgot to throw in there. All of the Saucony's and I believe all of the NMD RYATs all come with alternate shoestrings. So that's something to keep in mind. Retail is $250 and they do have 2 previous colorways. The last one being a burnt orangish kind of colorway, and the original releases being core white kind of ish. So if you guys are thinking you like these shoes, go ahead and check them out. I appreciate you guys' continued support. I know you guys are like, man, you hop around everywhere, but pretty much if I like it, I get it, and I show you all. There's really no set method to this, you know. So Taikyo Kills has been real. You guys can follow me on all platforms at Taikyo Kills, and I do mean all, except TikTok. I've got like 2 videos. I'm not doing TikTok, whatever. Taikyo Kills has been real. I'm out, y'all. Have a good one.